today. Today is going to be a really special one and near and dear to my heart. I am going to be sharing with you a tween girls beachy bedroom makeover, and it came out so cute, and I think that you're going to absolutely love it. This one is so special to me because if you have been following my creative journey since the beginning, then you know that while I was building up my business and getting more comfortable and taking in new clients, that I was working part-time helping students, they were 5th graders, kind of navigate through the whole pandemic and do online Zoom school. We worked in a learning pod, and I was kind of their like teacher or assistant, and just kind of like helping them just like figure out how to do school online, which, you know, for 5th graders can be a challenge. So these students were so nice, and they were like a huge part of my growth, and we really helped each other in a weird way. And we had our learning pod, and it was so cute. When they found out I was a designer, they wanted, because as many of you know, I have a background in graphic design, they wanted me to come up with a logo for the learning pod. And so it was really cute. We drew names out of a hat, and we called ourselves the Astronaut Cows. So some of my students are gonna be in the video for the final reveal of one of my students' bedroom, and it looks so cute. I think that you're gonna love it. If you do love this tween girls beachy bedroom makeover, then please help out your girl and give it a thumbs up. And I would ask that you also please subscribe to my channel to keep seeing more fun, awesome interior design videos like this one. I have so many cool ones coming up, and I promise you, you're not gonna wanna miss those. All right, check out what I do. After checking out Hannah's room, I thought she had a really great space, but it felt kind of dark. It also felt a little bit cluttered. To be honest, I was slightly overwhelmed with some of this stuff. I wanted to maximize her bedroom space and minimize the clutter and kind of give her a more grown-up vibe in here, give her a little bit more of like a teenager bedroom or like a tween who's going into middle school, and just minimize all of this stuff. I created a mood board for Hannah's bedroom. She said she wanted like a surfer girl bedroom meets Hawaii, meets Art Deco, but a little bit beachy. So I tried to encompass all of those things that she wanted in her new space. I sketched out my ideas for Hannah's bedroom. I wanted to still give her a good use of color, but do it in a more subtle way. Give her a more teenagery vibe. She loves pineapples, so we had to incorporate that somewhere. She also had this like random old built-in, but it was really just like a gaping hole in the wall. I wanted to create a custom bookshelf and make like a little reading nook area for that space. I'm here today in Hannah's bedroom, and we are getting ready to paint in here, and we're doing a really cool like hand-painted wallpaper. I've shown you guys this technique before in the past, but it's just a way to kind of like save a little bit on some moolah here. And so we are getting all taped up in the space. Everything's taped. We've primed it because I don't know if you saw in my previous and the before photos, the rainbow wall is all primed and ready to go. And so check out what I do. I found this beautiful wallpaper on Etsy. I believe it's made by Livette's Wallpaper. It was stunning, but it also came with a pricey price tag. And because this is a children's bedroom, we wanted to kind of save on some dinero. So I'm gonna show you how I created this hand paper wall technique. I found the image, I took a screenshot of it and brought it into Photoshop, where I kind of reversed the image so it was all black and white. And then I basically just put it on a flash drive and took it to Staples to have printed. Then I will use my projector to trace it onto the wall. I painted my base color on this wall before tracing, and obviously before painting the actual mural part on the wall. also gonna be trying to do like an ombre wall effect, but I want it to be like super misty and kind of serene, not so bright. So I'm starting with kind of the same bluey color that we used on the wallpaper wall that we're gonna paint. And then I'm gonna use some water in between, and as I go down, I'm gonna get darker so it's a little more ombre effect at the bottom. A tip for you is that I did this ombre wall using layers, the top layer, middle layer, and bottom layer. And I did that through the perimeter of the wall. So like the top layers all the way around, middle layer all the way around. That way I have consistency throughout the space. We did so many DIYs in this space, starting with the bookcase. I had my buddy and handyman Mike help us out with building a custom bookcase for that weird built-in space. He also helped create like a ledge or like the side of the desk so we could move the desk from being from underneath the bed to being a freestanding desk. I found this adorable dresser on the side of the road in my neighborhood. It was the perfect size. It just needed a little bit of love. I've refinished it up, distressed it using a baby pink. If you want to see more about how to distress furniture, check out the link up above. We wanted to DIY a light fixture similar to something like this, but do it for a little bit more affordable. I found this adorable tulip-shaped basket from Target, and by using some cane that I purchased from Etsy, some glue gun, and a light kit from IKEA, look how cute this is. Hannah's mom, Kim, took this on. She's so creative, and it came out beautiful. I found this mirror in OfferUp for 10 bucks and gave it a little new life with some fresh paint. This is one of my favorite tips, is by searching photography on Etsy, you can download them immediately, save them to a flash drive, have them printed out at Staples, and frame them. It's an affordable way to showcase art and photography in your space, and they look great. I wanted to create this fun little hangout spot underneath Hannah's bed with a futon and put some wallpaper behind it. This would have been really hard to try to hand paint. So we found a really affordable wallpaper on Spoonflower. Hannah picked this out by using a roller with some water. It was actually pretty easy to do. This was my first time wallpapering. You just simply fold the paper into itself, let it sit for a couple of minutes to get tacky, and it was so easy to adhere it to the wall, and it came out so cute. I'm obsessed with how this looks. Check out what I did in